Morning students, I am Arman present here for your online classes of class 6, chapter 10, mensuration. And in this chapter, you will learn how to develop formula to find the area and perimeter of a plane figures, including rectangles and squares. This will help to discover the importance of measurement skill and then application in daily life situation. The first term is here perimeter. You already read about perimeter in your previous classes. The class in Then first tell me, is there an easy way to measure the length of the lace? Yes, we can also calculate the length of the lace by measuring one length and one width of a tablecloth. The value so obtained is the perimeter. In fact, the perimeter is the distance covered along the boundary of a closed figure. आपके पास कोई भी फिगर है, देन उसके बाउंड्री के अलोंग, उस क्लोज फिगर के बाउंड्री के अलोंग आपका जो भी बाउंड्री होती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड पेरीमीटर. सपोज वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर इन दिस वन राउंड ऑफ योर प्लेन फिगर इज कॉल्ड पेरीमीटर. There are some formula for perimeter of a different plane figures. Then simply formula of a perimeter is, we can say that sum of all sides of a plane figure which figure made up of straight lines. कोई भी ऐसे फिगर्स जो स्ट्रेट लाइन से मिलकर बने, कोई भी ऐसे क्लोज फिगर जो ओनली स्ट्रेट लाइन से मिलकर बने हो, then the perimeter of the figure is equal to sum of all side. उनके सभी साइड्स को सम करने पे उनका पेरीमीटर हम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं जो उनके बाउंड्री के अलोंग है. जस्ट लाइक I have a figure 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter. So we can write here perimeter of this figure equal to sum of all sides. That means start from here, then 6 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 3 centimeter, again 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter, and the result is 22 centimeter. We can observe here, when we measure from here to here, then one boundary, one fence or one boundary along with its side is called perimeter here. But in view of definition, in order to find the perimeter of closed figure made up of straight lines, let's find the perimeter sub standard figures. Some standard figures which has a same length or a same breadth or a equal measurement, equal length of the sides. Just like first of all here a rectangle. We take here a rectangle. We know that opposite sides of rectangles are equal. This is the length of the rectangle and this one breadth of the rectangle. So simply, if we follow the definition of perimeter, then perimeter of rectangle is equal to L plus B plus L plus B. That means 12 and 2 times B. When we take a common as 2, then 2 into L plus B. Then what we find? The perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So this is the formula for perimeter of rectangle. Similarly, when we take any square shape, the square figure which all sides are equal, so we can write here perimeter of square is equal to A plus A plus A plus A. That means 4A is equal to 4 into side. A is the side of the square. So perimeter of square is 4 into side. So these are the formulas for the special figures. Another one, take an equilateral triangle. A. Then perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to A plus A plus A is 3A is equal to 3 into side. This is only for equilateral triangle, not other type of triangle. Then is there anything common between a square and equilateral triangle? These figures have equal sides and equal angles. Such figures are called regular closed figures. The perimeter of regular closed figure is obtained by multiplying the length of one side by the number of 8 sides. अगर हमें किसी भी रेगुलर क्लोज्ड फिगर का perimeter find out करना है, then only we should have a length of one side and a number of sides. Then the product of length of one side and a number of sides of that figure is equal to perimeter of the figure. So let's see here some examples. Find the perimeter of the shape of a scalene triangle whose side is 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Then perimeter of scalene triangle is equal to sum of all sides. Then 6 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 7 centimeter is equal to 17 centimeters simply. And when you have a regular pentagon, find the perimeter of a regular pentagon with each side measuring 7 centimeter. You have a pentagon which each one side is a 7 centimeter. It's a regular pentagon. So perimeter of regular pentagon is equal to, there are 5 sides here. So first write a 5 into length of one side is 7 centimeter. Then 5 7s are 35 centimeter as a perimeter of the regular pentagon.